What's going on, everybody? It's Self-Made from Self-Made Fishing TV. Welcome back to the channel, and as always, if you guys haven't done so already and you guys enjoy my videos, please smash that subscribe button for me. It truly helps me out a lot. Leave me a like on this video and leave me a comment in the comment section on any videos you guys would like to see in the future. But in the last video I made, I talked to you guys about the method feeder and hair rig. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll leave you a little link above. So you'll be able to tap that and take you straight to it. But for those of you that have, I promised you that I would talk to you guys about the carp bait that I use and exactly what I use when I make it and exactly how I make it. It's super easy, super quick. I'm sure some of you guys have already used it, and I just wanted to make this video for those of you that haven't and hopefully help a few of you out there and get into some nice carp. They're super fun to catch. And with that being said, I'll go ahead and jump right into that for you. Alright guys, so first thing I got here for the recipe is your 1 gallon Ziploc bag. I have 2 cans of golden sweet corn from Meyer, it was on sale, strawberry jello, and panko breadcrumbs. So I'm going to go ahead. Some people say it matters what order you put them in. Personally, I've just thrown it together every single time. So we'll go ahead. Do this. Dump this in. Make sure it doesn't spill out. You just kind of mix everything around. As you can see, starting to make some, turn into something that you'll be able to actually use. And honestly, when I make this, I normally let mine sit in the fridge for a few days. That's when I think it's really nice. But I've used it fresh plenty of times and caught huge carp with it. So I'm going to show you guys how it goes on just fresh if you just made it and was ready to go out and use it. So after you mix it all, I would say, you'll know. I mean, I would keep doing this for a little bit longer, typically, but for the sake of this one, I'm just going to kind of show you guys what you would get out of this and how this would go on your method feeder. Go ahead. And there you have it. This is what would sit on the bottom. It's a fish crusher. I gotta clean up my kitchen now. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the subscribe button for me. It truly does help me out a lot. Smash this like button and go ahead in the comment section. You guys leave me a comment what your favorite carp bait is to use Is it just regular bread? Do you guys prefer just regular corn, or do you guys prefer some kind of pack bait? Let me know in the comment section. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. It's self-made.